Hello everyone. Today we are going to do class 8 Maths chapter 11 Statistics practice set 11.2. 11.1 is already been completed. You all can check the description box. The link will be provided over there. So today we are going to study subdivided bar graph. Okay, how to draw it, how to read it. Okay, so let's start. So suppose this is the question, this is practice set 11.2 children. So you all can refer the textbook for the question. See, this is the question that they have given in the textbook. Okay, first they have given the scale. Okay, I hope everyone knows how to draw a scale, how to write a scale, and according to the scale we have to draw the bar graph. Okay, now this is known as subdivided bar graph. Okay, one bar has been given and we have to divide it. This type of bar graph are known as subdivided bar graph. Now this is the question answer question. So we have to only read the bar graph and then answer the question. So you all can refer the textbook for this question. Okay, so let's solve the question. Children, side by side you all have to refer the question from the textbook. So state the type of the graph. Now as I said, this is a subdivided bar graph. So you all have to write it. The graph is a subdivided bar graph. Okay. Now, how much is the saving of Vaishali in the month of April? Now, for that, we will refer Vaishali first. So, see, Vaishali is over here and we have taken the shaded part from the scale. We have taken the shaded part as the April month and the unshaded part as the March month. Okay, so this is Vaishali, and what was the question being asked? The savings. How much total saving? How much is the saving of Vaishali in the month of April? Okay, for the month of April we have to show. So as I said, April is the shaded part. So shaded part is how much? 600. Isn't it? Isn't it? The shaded part is 600. So what we have to write in? Rupees 600. So rupees 600 is the savings for the month of April. Clear, children? Now, how much is the total saving of Saroj in the month of March and April? Now, we have to show for both March and April. So, how are you going to read it? See, this is Saroj. Okay, this is her April month and this is her March month. Okay, the shaded part is April and the unshaded part is March. So how much is the total excuse me, how much is the total savings? You will see that we have to show the complete bar for the savings for both the months, that is April and March. She made a total of 800. Clear? So write it down. She made a total savings, sorry, not on in this questions, we have to write it over here. She made a total savings of rupees 800. I hope you all have understood this, children. Now next question is, how much more is the total savings of Savita than the total saving of Megha? Now we have to compare two ladies over here, that is Savita and Megha. So I will show you how to compare them. Now Savita and Megha, these are the two ladies. Now we have to show how much is more of Savita and Megha. Who has done the more savings, Savita or Megha? So you will see that Savita has done 1000 rupees. Excuse me. Megha has done 500. 400 was over here. So this is going to be yours 500. Okay. So what we have to do is 1000 minus 500. Okay. So the answer is going to be rupees 500. The total saving of Savita is rupees 500. So over here, write it down. The total saving of Savita, rupees 1000, and Megha, rupees 500. Okay, so when we subtract it, so what is the question? Who has done the more saving? The total saving by Savita rupees 500 more than Megha. Is it clear? So I hope you all have understood how to answer the question, children. Next question, whose saving in the month of April is the least? Now whose saving is least, you will be clearly able to see in the bar graph that Megha is the one whose savings is least in the month of April. As I said, the shaded portion of the bar graph is supposed to be April. So Megha is the the savings of the Megha is least in the month of April. So write it down. The savings of Megha is the least in April. I hope this question is clear to everyone. If there is any queries, children, please let me know in the comment section. So now the next question is, the number of the boys and girls in the standard 5th to 8 in the ZP school is given. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Okay, so boys and girls of standard 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. This is the question that they have already given in the textbook, and the scale is also provided. So you all have to take the same scale that they have given. So over here what we have to do is, children, we have to add these two in order to form a single bar. Okay, then only we will be able to divide it, isn't it? Isn't it? So these will be, suppose we will take this boys and the blank one we will take for the girls. So let's do the total first. You have to just add it. Okay, so boys and girls, I have taken the numbers that have been given in the question. I have just added them. Okay, now let's move to the drawing of the bar graph. I hope everyone knows how to draw a x-axis, y-axis. I have left 2 centimeters from both the sides. Mark it as 0. For the x-axis, I am going to take the standard. For the y-axis, I am going to take the number of boys versus girls. Okay, and the scale that they have given in the question was scale on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students, boys and girls. We are going to mark it in this way. So I hope everyone knows how to draw a x-axis and y-axis. Now let's draw the bar. So the first one was 5th standard. So I am going to leave 1 centimeter from here. Okay, so this is going to be my 5th standard. Okay, so the total of 5th standard was, children, 51. Okay, so first we have to mark the markings over here. We have to mark the markings over here. I forgot to write it. So let's do the marking first. So this is going to be 10, 20. As the scale was being given in the question, we have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, and we have already done the total of 5th standard. So the total of 5th standard was 51. So 50 is over here, 1 will come over here. I hope you all are able to see it. This is 51. Now, first we have drawn the total of 51. And how many boys were there? 34. So this is our 34. Mark it. Okay, shaded as we have taken for boys, the shaded portion. So is it clear? The 5th standard bar subdivided bar is ready. Now let's move to the 6th standard. Again I will leave 1 space, 1 centimeter space. 6th standard. And the total of 6th standard was 40. So first we will mark the total. Okay, so this is 40. And how many boys were there? 26 boys were there. So 20 is over here, 25 is over here, 26. I hope everyone knows how to count it. Shade it. Sixth standard is done. Now 7th standard, leave 1 centimeter space. 35 is the total of 7th standard. So 30 is over here, 35. First we have to take the total. Got it? Now how many boys were there? 21. 20 and 21 will come just above it. Shade for the boys section. And the remaining will automatically be for the girls. 7th is done. 8th standard. 45 is the total, isn't it? We have just done the total. So this is 45. Mark it. Okay. And how many boys were there? 25 boys were there. So 20 is over here, children. 25 will come just 5 points above. Shade for the boys part. So here your first question is done. Third question, in the following table, number of sapling planted in the year 2016 and 2017 in the 4 towns given. Show the data with the help of subdivided bar graph. Okay, so again over here we have to write the same numbers. This was the question. You all have to draw a separate table for it and then add it. So this is going to be 350, 550, 450 and 250. So children, over here they haven't given any scale. So while drawing it, you all can take any scale which is preferable for you all. Okay. So this is going to be our bar. Okay. The shaded portion we will take for 2016. Is it clear? Let's draw it now. Now scale I have taken on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 saplings. Shaded is 2016. Unshaded part is 2017. So draw x-axis, y-axis. On x-axis I will be taking towns. WN is towns. And on the y-axis I will be taking number of saplings. You all have to write it down. Okay, after writing it down, you all have to mark the scale. That is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 saplings. So let's start with 100. Okay, is it clear? I think everyone knows how to mark all these sections. Now, I will be taking 1 centimeter. I will be taking 2 centimeters, children, because I am having space. So, I will leave 1 centimeter from here and then 2 centimeters from here. 1 centimeter and then again 2 centimeter. I will do first these markings and name the towns. That is Karjat, then Vadgaon, okay, then over here was Shivpur and Khandala. Okay, so these are my towns. Now I have to just draw it. Is it clear to everyone now till here? Now the total of Karjat was 350. So 300 is over here, 350 is over here. First we will be doing the total of both the years and then draw a bar. So 350 was the total of Karjat. So I have drawn 350. From there, how much was 2016? 150 was there. Okay, so 150, 100 is over here. 150 will come over here. Okay, so draw it. Shade the part of 2016. Now second was Vadgaon. The total of Vadgaon was 550. So 500 is over here. 550 will come over here. The total of 2016 and 17. Join it. Okay. Now 2016 was how much? 250. Okay. So 200 is over here, children. 250 will come over here. Mark it and divide the bar according to the years. Now shade it. You all can erase it later on if it goes outside. Clear? Now Shivpur was how much? 450. So 400, 450. Because I am having a big book, I have taken 2 centimeter bar. You all can take 1 centimeter also. It won't matter. Okay. Now 450. After 450, the total we have drawn it. 2016 was 200. So 200. Go step by step as I am doing it, children, and it's very easy. These type of question comes for 5 marks. Now Khandala was 250. So 250 is over here. The total of both the years was 250. Join it. And 100 for 2016. Shade the part of 2016. Is it clear? Now question number 3rd is done over here. If there are any queries, please let me know. Now the last question is, in the following table, data of the transport means used by the student in the 8th standard to communicate from home to school is given. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Over here the scale is given. Question has been given. We have to, now over here children, you will see that we are having 3 sections. So earlier we have done the questions for 2 sections. Now over here 3 sections are there. So first we will add it and then I will show you how to do it. So this is going to give us a total of 5,000. This will give us a total of 3,000 and this is going to give us a total of 2,250. Okay, and the scale that we have to take on the y-axis is going to be 1 centimeter per 500 students. Okay, so over here what bar we have to draw is this kind of a bar. Because 3 sections have been given, so we will be taking 3 sections over here. 1, 2 and 3 in a single bar. Okay, so first we will mark this sign. Then we will take this sign for the second one, auto and bus. And for the on foot, we will take the dotted ones. Is it clear? Is it clear? In this way, we have to form the bar graph. 3 sections for cycle, auto and bus, on foot. Okay? In one single bar. Let's draw it now. So as I have said and shown you, the scale has already been given. We have to take the same scale. On foot, we are going to take the stripes. On this, we are going to take the waves. And for the cycle, we are going to take the dots. Okay, so this is what we are going to mark it. Our x-axis and y-axis is already been drawn. On x-axis, I will be taking the towns. And on y-axis, I will be taking means of communication. Okay, now on the y-axis, we have to take 1 centimeter is equal to 500 students that we have written. So 500 students we have to take. So let's start. 500. $3,000, 3,500, and 5,000. You will see that we have taken 5,000 in the counting. So we have to draw it in this way. The scale is ready. Now we will mark a scale over here also. Again leave 1 centimeter and 2 centimeters from here I am going to take. Again 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter bar. Okay, so this is going to be my Paitan, this is going to be my Yeola, and this is going to be my Shahpur. Okay, so everything is ready. Now we have to just draw it. Now first was the total of all the 3 subsections that they had given, cycle, bus, auto and on foot, was total of Paitan was 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 is over here children. Do first the marking and then join it. Okay, now over here what we have to do is children, first we have to start from the base, isn't it? So what we have to do is first we will take the marking of the foot. So foot was how much? 1,000 was the foot, isn't it? No, not 1,000. The foot was on foot. They had done the side. No, wait, just a minute. So not the foot. We will be taking the first marking of the cycle. So cycle was 3,250. So 3,250 will come over here. So as we have taken the marking of 500, so 3,000 is over here, 3,250 will come over here, 5 lines above. Okay, so draw it. Okay, the next was how much? 750. So 750 from here it will give to 4000. Got it, children? So this is going to be my 750. Okay, this was for bus and auto. Okay, so and the foot we don't have to do it because it has already been done now. So do the marking. Over here we have decided for the waves, and over here dots. So you all can mark it. Okay, now next is Yevla. So Yevla's total was 3000. So 3000 is over here. Draw a bar. I hope you all are understanding, children. If there is any queries, please let me know in the comment section. Don't get confused, it is very easy. Okay, now first was on the cycle was 1500. So 1500 is over here. Mark it. This is for the cycle. Okay, children, so cycle marking is done. Now we will do the marking for the bus and auto. That was supposed to be 500. Okay, so 500 from here it will give to, now you will see that 1500 is over here. 500 from here means it will reach over here, isn't it? 2000. You have to calculate it. If you are not able to calculate it, add or subtract it and you will be able to get it. Okay, so this is what is of bus and auto. And for the foot, you all don't have to do any calculation. It is automatically ready for you all. Clear? Now for Shahavpur, the total was 2250. So 2000 is over here, 250 will come over here. Isn't it 5 lines above the 2000? Draw the bar. This is a 2250 bar. Okay, now for the on foot we will do the marking for the cycle first. That was 1250. Okay, so see, 1000 is over here, 1250 will come over. So 1000 is over here, children, and 1250 will come over here. 5 lines above 1000. Okay, so you all have to count from 1000, 5 lines above, and mark your 1250. Okay, so this was of the cycle. Now how much is for auto and bus? That was 500. So 500 from here we have to take. Okay, not from here. We have to count it from here. So this was 250 and this is going to be a 500. Got it, children? I hope you all are able to understand it. That means from here you all have to count 10 lines above. So you will get your bus and auto. And this foot will automatically be ready. I hope you all have understood this bar graph. If there is any queries, children, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer your queries. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.